What's up, YouTube? It's your Lord and Savior King D353, and although I should technically be uploading episode 1 right now, I'm having too much fun. I think Zoe's enjoying herself too. Are you, Zoe?
I'm supposed to be sleeping. I have very important, non-important college work to do tomorrow.
The door is unlocked. Wait, what the fuck? Wasn't I looking that way? Oh, fuck it. Off to hell I go.
I'd like to point out the lack of audio.
Well, yeah, I've noticed. That's not a fuck up on your end if that's what you're thinking.
No.
Hi, Crystals. Okay, since this is called Close Your Eyes, I'm just going to assume those are distractions that are going to kill me. So I shall pay the distractions no— Ooh, the moon. Huh? The fear of the dark is sometimes stronger than the light of the night. Let the moon comfort you. The moon provides light too. And if you ever get too scared while alone in the dark, close your eyes and sleep it away. The sun will rise soon. Walk to the moon? I can't walk to the moon. Okay.
No. Just keep moving.
I thought that was a way of like saying the moon's important, go to it. What the fuck? Well, I do like eggs. Okay. Sunny side up, hard boiled, deviled, or scrambled. Personally, I prefer scrambled.
Who doesn't?
How do you like your eggs, little man? I just answered you. Pay attention! What's your favorite egg style, Zoe?
Boiled or scrambled. Remembering that I'm allergic.
I'm sorry for throwing rocks at your window, but come here. There's something I want to show you. It's my penis. I mean, come on, lazyhead. If you don't hurry. Sounds like a childhood friend. I had a feeling it was a girl, so I just didn't want to be sexist. Do you want to read this one? For sake of changing it up?
The itsy bitsy spider.
Oh, that was it. Okay. So there's me and you, and some berries, and a white
I
thing.
think that's a spider. Yeah, that's a spider's egg with the cat.
Spider's egg and a cat, okay.
And a candle. I wouldn't move that way.
So it's me, you, a candle, and Smudge.
Smudge isn't Ginger. That'd be George.
Okay, me, you, and George. Wait, did you say don't move back?
Yeah.
Did you see something bad back there?
No, it's a horror game. You never turn back.
You kidding? I've turned back multiple times before.
Well,
like almost every horror.
I think you're past the point of no return.
Like every horror game I do, I make the fucking nope joke. Hi, save spot. I'm gonna save on you. I should probably be ending and starting episodes on these save spots, but I'm not going to.
You should also start with saving on file too.
Oh, I forgot that. Oh god, another corpse? Hi, corpse. You look like a cocoon with an arm. What are these?
Reminds me of a coffee Garis.
What are these? What are these? Am I gonna get a trophy for talking to all of them?
No, I think one of them might attack you if you're not careful.
What are these? Another eye poster. It's gaze. Is it looking— Oh god! What's behind me? What are you? Where? What? Okay. Hi, trash can. Someone left a half-eaten burger in here. Ooh! Dibs!
I think you need to go get on the tram.
What the fuck? There's a giant skull here hanging from webs. Cobwebs fill its eyes.
Sudden sense of deja vu.
Well, you did say you had this game. Oh, come on! 2-minute warning already? Come on, this is getting interesting. Fuck. I guess in the next episode we choose the cross section?
Yeah, but I haven't played it.
I hate you, 15-minute limit. Did we seriously spend 13 minutes in that place? Like, really? All we did was walk. We spent 13 minutes walking.
By my time, you still got 7 left.
What? Yeah. What? Wait. Oh! Oh, that was the lag I told you about. God damn it. This thing threw me off track so hard. The trash has a variety of plucked weeds inside. So, wow, I just wasted time wait, what the fuck? Okay, so there's a hint in here to tell me which direction I have to go. Oh! Where they're looking! Wait, no, you're both looking to the left. You're looking to the left, and you're looking to the left. And yet the left was the long way. Oh wait, the eye's looking down. But down can't be the right direction, can it?
They're all looking to the left. They always look to the left.
Okay, I came from down, so yeah, the eye was looking down, but it's unlikely that I'd have to go down again. And left is wrong, yet they were all looking to the left.
Up.
Go up?
The body to the skeleton is up.
Oh, so
maybe that's the clue.
Okay. Nope, the skeleton's also wrong. I'm gonna try down because the eye was looking down. Really? Well, on the bright side, I now have faith. That aside, focus.
So it's got to be to the right. Up.
Okay, what the fuck? Okay, well, let's search for the clue, I guess. Giant crystals? They glow a hazy blue. I'm looking directly at them, but they feel so distant.
Maybe it's right down.
What's making you think it's right down?
Well, look at their hands. They're always pointing downwards.
Okay.
Plus the eye is pointing down.
But there was nothing pointing to the right, and yet right's the first part. Alright, we'll try it. Right. Down. Maybe right is always right.
Maybe.
We're so going about this the wrong way. Someone's gonna be typing furiously in the comment section. Oh my god, you idiot! The answer's so obvious. You have to blank, blank, then blankety blank, blank. Weeds, do you hold the answer? Well,
I've seen this before somewhere. I haven't played this game, but I'm getting a strong sense of deja vu. So it's got to be right up.
If you say so, Zoe.
Well, that's the only direction we haven't tried.
Tell me we haven't tried going back. It's right, left. Oh god. Okay.
Really?
To the right. Take it back now, y'all. Right again. Fuck. For a second there.
So it definitely is right, left.
For a second there, I thought it was right, left, right, left, right, left because of the track we were on. In fact, I'm going to the left next. First, look at the trash can.
So it's right, left.
I know we're doing this the wrong way, guys. I know, but come on. Can you blame us?
Is this or I look up a wiki?
So it's right, left, up.
You sure?
Yeah, 'cause I tried everything after left and got wrong. Right, left, up, down. Fuck. That's what I get for trying to use patterns. Right, left, up, to the left. Everything you own in the box to the left. Oh my god, Rihanna, you succeeded. Okay, so it's right, left, up, left. Down. Alright, there you go, guys. It's right, up, left, down. Right, left, up, down, I mean. Nothing on that one. For some reason, I can't see past this one. Oh, the backs are now to the front. Basically, his face switched around. Hi, dead body. I feel like it's watching. Oh my god, it's going to kill me. I'm going to die.
Please don't react like that. You're giving me heart palpitations.
Why? I'm the one getting attacked, not you. There's something in this room. I saw something in this room.
Stop moving and
Hi, fire. What do I do with you? I can't talk to you. Am I in hell? The fuck? Okay. If anything tries to kill me, I have no way of defending myself. It's too dark for me to protect myself. I really hope this is more of a psychological thriller than an actual challenge game. If it's an actual challenge game, this is bullshit. Hmm? Wait, what the oh, I thought I turned black for a second there.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Should I end the episode here?
yes.
Well, this is kind of ironic, but we're not welcoming you. We're saying goodbye to you, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed the episode. In the next episode, we welcome you properly, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
Deuces, YouTube.
See ya.